Hi, my name is Rahul. Today we are going to unbox a latest product from Xiaomi. This is the Mijia shoes 2. So I purchased this shoes because I thought this was a smart shoes just like their first product which was released in China. I have seen the second variant also on Chinese website, but I really didn't go in depth seeing whether it is smart shoes. When I saw this got uploaded in the crowdfunding platform of Xiaomi, I just bought it because it just cost 2,500. I'm not a really experienced shoe user or something like that. I just see them as just a comfortable product if I want to walk and everything. So I have never used or spent too much on any shoes like this. So you can see from the box pack that this is me men's sports shoes too. So it is material is using EVA, rubber, PU, TPU. So price is given as 4,000. That is the price I have seen in the Chinese website like AliExpress and etc. So I have this. I have bought this product from Xiaomi's app or website for around 2,499 rupees. So this price was a special price in terms of crowdfunding. So let's open the box, and you can see that it's a black color shoes. And the first impression I can say, this looks really good. I mean, the shoes I use, this looks very common like shoes, but this looks really cool. So this is sneakers basically. So let me put this on this side. So I don't know how much I can talk about the shoes because I told you I use shoes just for the basic use. There seems to be a good quality rubber sole on the bottom, and I have read somewhere that this is really grippy, so it's not going to slip at all. And this is a little elastic material, and this is the sign or the Mijia shoes. That is their logo, Mijia logo. So in the previous shoes, inside the shoes, you can see there is the step counter and everything like that. That is a smart tracker. It is not here in this product. So in terms of quality, I think this is a great quality, just like any Xiaomi product. They get a great quality product undercutting a lot of products. So I'm guessing maybe a Reebok or Nike shoes may be costing 4,000 5,000 rupees, may have the same quality just like Xiaomi shoes that cost just for 2,500 for me. So I will see how much comfortable it offers by putting inside. Let me use this. Oh, it's pretty tight. When I buy the shoes, I just look for comfort only. So when I see that it should be easily, I can easily put my foot inside the shoes. That's something I look into when I buy shoes. But here it's really tight, and I try harder. I mean, I don't know. It's a elastic style, so I'm thinking that this will be a snug fit like shoes. Sneakers will be a really snug fit. Let me tie the uh, lace also. My first impression is that this is really comfortable. I mean, this is crazy comfortable. I mean, this feels really good. I mean, I don't know what more I could say. This is really comfortable. It feels really good. I will just walk around so that I can see how good it is. This feels really good. I feel it is really snug fit when I compare to shoes I use for walking, evening walks and morning walks. This is just another level for me. This is really great. So in terms of looks, it looks great. In terms of comfort, it is great. Wish it had smart shoes. It was a smart shoes. I will just walk. It is not slippery at all. That it feels really grippy. See, it's how snugly it is fit on my feet. This is really great. So to conclude, I can say that this is a very good looking shoes, and also it's really comfortable. I mean, for 2,500, this is just amazing product. So I don't know when Xiaomi will be bringing this to for sales again. I mean, I bought it when it was crowdfunding 2,500, so the price will be higher than the 2,500 rate. I heard it might be 3,000 rupees when it comes to come for proper sales. So even for 3,000, I really think this is a really good shoes, really nice shoes. So that's for all for today's video. See you on the next one. Thank you.